Each human being, every human being on this planet, is in alignment with the desire for love, for peace, for not needing to be right, yet needing to be loving. Where every human being's highest desire is to be calm and connected in themselves and being in the joy and the connection of others. Just take a minute to feel into this possibility, to feel into this world where every human being celebrates themselves and celebrates every other human being. No restrictions. Oh, it's all welcome, all loving, all loving.